Coquito. Yeah, so um, welcome. Hello. Uh, yeah, don't worry about that. This is a very simple violin transformation exercise practice. So we have a violin, beautiful, bought it from Finland. Coquito, back here, mi amor, let's do it together. But the other day I started to play with it and we lost the strings. As you can see, there is no strings. So it's pretty quiet. So I was thinking now, like instead of like fixing the strings, we have them here somewhere, and the horse tail, perhaps a ponytail, who knows? Different sound. But anyway, we want to transform this violin into a metaverse instrument. And you will be part of this journey, how we discover how we actually can create a metaverse instrument, what it is to have an instrument and you play into metaverse or from out of metaverse. All of this can be digital, can be analog, can be whatever we want, but it has to be as an experience, it has to be very, very nice. Otherwise nobody's gonna use it. So, shall we begin? We are ready. So, how to create a metaverse instrument of this beautiful violin bass? Perhaps we start by putting one string. Like, okay, well, this was the broken one. I saw them here and there. Oh, here's one. Ah, this could be one. This looks like, yeah. So, we need the ass. So many parts in a violin that you never thought that they existed, but they have some sort of functionality here. So let's just put this here, like in the middle. So that we have one. You cannot see. So we put this one string here. As you can see already, you know, even in small quantities we have a lot of time curvature, which we have to take into the consideration in the tuning. This is very long string, but I will put it here anyway, because now is the most important that you see something that I am doing. And that didn't sound nice. This is almost like putting those cables when you move. Just two strings. Just one. Ah, here's one. Now we have two. So it's like putting those cables in the when you move apartment, and this has more options than we need. The first thing that you do is you set up the sound system. Then refrigerator, sofa, carpets, everything. this actually is a creation of another curvature that requires tiny eyes and tiny fingers, but we have nothing to lose, so we keep trying because we are determined. No. But yeah, this is pretty much how always starts my music setup. I get an idea, and even I have things here and there. I realize that one cable is missing, and then I have to go downstairs and look for the cable. Always one thing missing, and I have to go through everything. So I think that's kind of like, you know, my style. Now I have to get through this hole. Wow, so tiny, so strong. Yeah, we got it? Yes. So now we start to roll in the cable. Again, we have just one cable here, and then we need the body part here. So this one goes here, so it's, let's say that it's this one. Very interesting. So and like last time happened a little bit accident, we forgot the most critical part. This I haven't seen in other instruments, so it's kind of like didn't cross my mind. But basically with this we can, the problem is that this doesn't lock. I think this is just some tourist. This is some tourist violin, so doesn't really allow us to work with the sound. I mean, yes, but it literally doesn't lock from here, so hey, gold gun, hey, golden man, hey, golden man, hey, golden man, where you at this thing? Okay. Okay, we have constructed one sound, but I cannot let go of this because it's not holding. It's very mysterious. Anyway, but we created one sound, which I'm pretty impressed by. Rhythm. Yeah, we need this part too. This is good for the your chin to rest. So now we have this. It's really like chaotic, but okay, anyway, we have this, so what we can do? Yeah, it's really tricky, but at least we have it. So in the next episode, we are going to connect this into the metaverse, so then we really see what is going on. So thank you and see you soon.